Now, Minister of Science and Innovation, Dr. Blade Nzimande, will address the National Science Week virtually. Hundreds of academics, researchers and scientists are attending the launch at the University of Venda in Thohoyandou in Limpopo. The National Science Week returns as a full live event after the COVID-19 pandemic. Nzimande officially opened the newly constructed School of Science and Technology building at the university and joins us now for more. Minister, thank you so much for your time this hour. So, what is the significance and importance of National Science Week?
Good day, Policy, to you and the viewers and listeners. National Science Week is something that we've been doing for a very long time now. Primarily, it is an important opportunity to engage South African citizens and different stakeholders on science. We run a very comprehensive program on science engagement so that we make sure that South African society is science literate and also is aware of the role of science, especially in tackling the many challenges and problems that we face, linked to poverty, inequality and unemployment, as well as also ensuring that as a country we move in terms of the new technologies that are there. Also, the aim of the National Science Week is to excite learners in particular. That is why today, for instance, we have invited thousands of school learners to actually come and be part of Science Week, their exhibitions, so that they can go and ask, find more information, including pursuing careers in science. So we are also using this as engaging with learners as well. We are also using this to popularize in policy a number of very important competitions and engaging our learners to say, for instance, we've got a Maths and Science Olympiad, which is a competition by learners to compete around areas relating to science and mathematics. We are also sensitizing through other competitions on areas relating to climate change. But also, police, I would like to say that one of our most important messages this year is that we've got a challenge of some of the school principals who, for instance, tend to discourage their learners from taking mathematics when they do matric, so that they are able to improve results, so that if you've got less learners taking mathematics, you're going to improve your pass rates. We are discouraging this completely, because what it does is that it reduces the number of potential learners who can do maths and science. And we need maths and science in many of the disciplines that we have, whether it's engineering, medicine, artisans, and so on. And that also, we are making science and mathematics to be a subject that our learners are scared of. Because one of the aims of the National Science Week is to demystify, to say, don't be scared of mathematics, don't be scared of science. In fact, these subjects can be very exciting and easy to do. So we are calling upon principals, don't discourage our learners from registering for mathematics, because we need more. As technologies advance, we are going to need many students to actually do maths and science. Also, we are saying to our universities, come in as well, play your role. We are launching at the University of Venda today. We are saying come and play your role. Engage communities around research projects that we are doing. If we are to undertake research, for instance, on let's say on attitude towards alcohol in Thohoyandou, engage communities, what kinds of questions we should be asking. Also, when research is being done, involve members of the community. When results are out, share them with communities, discuss the implications and so on. So National Science Week does all these things as part of elevating the role and place of science in our education system, as well as in our communities and society generally.
And Minister, it's certainly encouraging and inspiring to see the strides that we're making in this particular sector. So you've also just opened a newly constructed School of Science and Technology building at the University of Venda. So what areas of science will be covered here?
Well, this is a building that belongs to the Faculty of Science. which then has got sub-areas and departments that are involved in the area of health. Yeah. A particular focus in an area of this is also the matter of primary health care, because a number of diseases or the disease burden that we have as a country can actually be dealt with much more effectively if we were to focus on primary health care. Issues of health awareness, issues of producing community health workers or health workers in many other fields who are much more conscious about the need to inform people, because lots of problems we can deal with if we are able to educate our communities about what to do or what not to do. For instance, the example of COVID-19, wash your hands. It's a pity we are de-emphasizing that now, because truly speaking, if we wash our hands, we'll eliminate many diseases. Also, this building we are opening is going to be doing a lot of work on malaria, because parts of Limpopo and other parts of South Africa have got the problem of malaria. So we are actually strengthening health sciences to also deal with this particular disease, which it is a killer, which also we must not allow to be able to spread. This is in line with our philosophy policy that our universities must also be relevant in dealing with the challenges in the regions and localities in which they are actually located. So we are very pleased we are opening this brand new building, which is going to increase the capacity of the University of Venda to actually train relevant and much needed health professionals.
Right, before we let you go, Minister, your message to the students attending?
The message to the students is that please do not be scared of maths and science. Engage and take maths and science, because that opens even further opportunities into areas that the likes of me in the past under apartheid were not allowed. For instance, no black university under apartheid policy had a school of engineering or a faculty of engineering, because black people were not allowed to do engineering. Even artisans, black people were not allowed to be electricians and plumbers and so on who are qualified. So we are saying to young people, grab these opportunities. This government has opened all the opportunities for any learner to become whatever he or she wants to be. And we need more scientists. As we face challenges like climate change policy, we need more of science, and therefore we need to train more scientists. We are saying to our young people, please grab all these opportunities by both hands. And as we say, much more importantly, participate in the competitions and the exhibitions and the fairs that we do relating to maths and science, so that we are able to empower ourselves and yourselves.
All right, Minister, thank you so much for your time this morning. Of course, that is Minister of Science and Innovation, Dr. Blade Nzimande, talking to us there.